Hey guys, welcome to Fishing Tackle channel. I just wanted to share this unboxing of 13 Fishing concept. Check it out. TX2. There's the TXT model and I think regular TX model. And this is probably 13 Concepts top of the line model. It comes with skull cap cover, which is kind of cool. A silicone one. Let me see. Cancer, yada. Activate warranty, okay. And then, there we go. So get the specs. Super light, 6.13 ounce. So this reel is as heavy as or lighter than the sinkers you use for deep sea fishing. Keep that in mind. Amazing, right? Or I think I use somewhere between 6 and 8 ounces. This is basically as lighter than most of the sinkers I use for deep sea fishing. Ball bearing, 2 CZB comp plus 7 black seal ball bearing with 1 anti-reverse bearing. If you care about what that is, basically how smooth it is. And of course this is a high end, so I expect very smooth type of reel. Let's see, with 12 pound you could get up to 135 yards. And then for drag, looks like the drag is up to 20 pounds. And then 29 inches for, I guess, your gear ratio. So one rotation, well, the gear ratio is 7.5 to 1, but it's basically saying when you rotate one all the way around, which would be 7.5 times it turns, you get about 29 inches. If I'm wrong, leave a comment, but let's get into the opening. This is all unedited. I just wanted to show you exactly what I see and share with you guys. And by the way, I got this using my Amazon points that I've earned. And it's sort of like a birthday present for myself. So my birthday's coming up. I decided to buy this for myself. Concept TX2. 7.5 again. That's a left-handed. Anything that's with the model that says LH means left-handed. Some manuals, okay. Nothing else in there. More parts. Comes with a cool 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 piece sticker that you could put on. And here's the skull cap. And this is all it comes with. I paid around $213 for brand new. I did think about getting a used one, which right now goes for as low as $160 on Amazon Warehouse. So if you like it, go check it out. Here's a nice little cover for the reel. And I have a reel just like this, but it's a little bit bigger. It looks small, right? But usually this size and the way it's built, it's more than enough to fish for deep sea fishing for sea bass, flounder, bluefish, anything that is not big sports fishing or deep sea fishing. This will have more than enough lines to fish inshore fishing on a boat. So it's super light. It fits in my hands, so I would able to cup it. I'll probably use this for talk fishing as well. Love the cork handle. It comes with it. I'm a little bit disappointed that it doesn't come with a power handle, extra handle. But I think the focus for here I would imagine is for this reel is for freshwater fishing, but it doesn't really matter. These days, it's so well built that you could fish saltwater or freshwater. So if you're a big freshwater fisherman and reluctant to start getting into saltwater, start with 13 fishing if you like it. And then here's a, see that drag clicker? So it comes with the drag clicker. That's one of the reason I got it. Sorry about that. Just love the sound of that. So having a drag clicker for me is great if I'm reeling and if my drag isn't set properly or the fish is strong enough that it pulls my line out with my drag on, I would be able to hear it. So for me, it gives me additional sort of a signal while I'm fishing without trying to figure out whether or not I'm sort of snagging the bottom or whether there's a fish fighting and whether or not I need to set my drag a little bit tighter. So yeah, this is made in Korea, and I would imagine being made in Korea, their quality control is awesome, as well as this is cast iron carbon. I have no idea what that means. CZB Tech, you guys could look that up. I don't remember what it stands for, but it's 13 fish own kind of a bearing technology that they patented or something like that. But super smooth, even with the drag on, it's like very smooth. There's no like these kind of moments. It's a very smooth fishing. So a lot of time when you're fishing and you have to do this, that means it's a cheap reel. A good reel like 13 Fishing, Daiwa, Shimano, no matter what you do, it's gonna be very smooth like this. Look at this. Cheap reels will do this while you're fishing. It gets stuck. It's not smooth at all. So this is what you're expecting. Let's open this up and see how it looks. It has the low friction brake system. That's what they call it. Concept LF, low friction brake system, from 1 through 6. So for those that are new to bait casting, that's what you would use to set your reel for casting. So if you get a lot of bird's nest, this is where you want to set. Whether it comes from 0 to 9, I'll probably set to 9. 9 is going to be more resistant, and 0 is probably going to be a full spool. I think that's what I'm tracking. If I'm wrong, please feel free to leave a comment. That's how it looks. Just pops out. Pretty simple. The technology, most of these reels, baitcast, it will cast just like spinning reel. It's made well. It has a good braking system that you can make adjustment with using your spool as well as your braking system. So if you're new to it, I wouldn't go with the cheap reels unless that's all you could afford. Piscifun is a good baitcast reel that I own myself. This one, Cork, I'm not worried even with saltwater. I take care of it. I have it with the Concept A3, 13 Fishing A3. Very similar. It's a black one. I'll show you guys a comparison of it with TX2 and the A2s. But can't wait to use this. I'll be using this for my next fishing trip, and I'll let you guys know how it is to use it for saltwater fishing. If you have any comment, please leave a comment. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and make sure to like this video. Thanks.